This 2027 Keystone Hideout 262 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Schoolcraft, Michigan, 49087 and is offered for sale by CampNorth RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.